Want to block someone on TikTok using your iPhone? Whether it's to stop unwanted messages, comments, or interactions, TikTok makes it easy to block users. Look no further. In this quick video, I'll show you how to block someone on TikTok. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open up the TikTok app. Find the profile of the person you want to block. You can do this by searching for their username. Or you can find it by tapping on their profile picture if you see their content. Once you're on their profile, look for the share icon at the top right of the screen. Tap on the share icon. A menu will appear. Select the block option. Tap block again to confirm. And that's it. This is how you can block someone on TikTok using your iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, write them in the comment box below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video. Goodbye for now.